Yeah, family. So we're at a place called Paradise Lost, and this look just like Somerset Falls in Jamaica. Somerset Falls.
Wow,
And if you come here, so come spend the entire day. Yo, Ricardo, let me catch you up on the camera. Yo, me have a quiz for you, you know. Me have a quiz. Let me see if I can get it right. Which part this look like in a Jamaica? Which part?
Don't you falls?
No man. Guess again.
On the Portland here, talk.
Eh?
If in the Portland, don't you fall. Look for Don't River.
Yeah, man, this look just like Somerset Falls.
I was going to say Somerset Falls. I was going to say Somerset Falls.
Yeah, man, yeah, family. So,
But the water
jam tours there.
The water is more cleaner now.
Yeah, but just the atmosphere and
Yeah,
how
and
the
the
place set up like this. Yeah.
It's like
Yeah, man. Somerset Falls. Somerset Falls.
You're trying to impress.
Yo,